Hi Fire Signs, Aris Leo Sagittarius. Welcome po sa ating channel. At ito ang inyong daily Gabay Tarot reading for August 31, 2023. Please be reminded that this is general reading po, so maaari kayong makarelate o hindi. Just take what resonates. Gamitin ang reading na ito bilang gabay lamang. Balik po kayo dito bukas para sa ating daily Gabay Tarot reading for September 1, 2023. Please like, subscribe, and click bell button para updated po kayo sa daily tarot reading natin. Maraming salamat po. Ano po ang energy today ni Fire Signs? Aries, Leo, Sagittarius ngayong August 31. This is a reverse card. Nagkaroon ng, may nakakita akong may kakilala kang materialistic. Hindi marunong magpahalaga sa buhay. May seloso at selosang tao. At meron ding tao na may kakilala ka na hindi marunong mag-handle ng kaperahan. Naging materialistic. May nakikita rin akong may taong hindi maasahan. Instead of getting angry, have a conversation with them about expectations and make adjustment where necessary. May taong nanghimasok sa decision mo. Nanghimasok siya sa decision making process mo. This is momentum. You are inspired sa iyong buhay karera. You are in the right path. Focus ka sa trabaho mo ngayon. Nagkaroon ng concentration. This card tells you na you should have a clear intention, focus, and a plan for action. Create a solid plan before you can make big decisions. Listen to your intuition to guide you towards the next actions. This card tells you na you have success in the face of difficulty. Ano po ang advice? Message nyo po, Spirit Guides, para kay Fire Signs. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius ngayong August 31. Fine wine. Longing is the portal to wholeness. Time to play. Make time to dance and play. Ano po? Let's see your career and money. Fire Signs. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Spirit Guides, ano po ang message niyo po para sa career and money? Wow. Wow. This card is a wealth. Wealth card, family, getting to reunion, or nagkaroon ng inheritance. May plano kayo ng pamilya mo na magbuo ng family business at full support ang pamilya mo sa plano mong negosyo. Ang ilan ay may alok na business partnership with close friends. May posibilidad din na bibili kayo ng property ngayon. Full support ang iyong kapareha o ang iyong pamilya sa iyong plano sa buhay. Maghihingi ka ng payo sa taong nirerespeto mo na mas matanda pa sa iyo at wiser. Makakatanggap ka rin ng mana, pension, retirement, o masaganang ani ng buhay. So this is very good news. Dahil sa ani na ito, nagkaroon ng satisfaction, nagkaroon pa ng abundance. Abundance sa buhay, abundance sa karera, abundance sa kaperahan. Thankful ka sa mga biyayang natanggap mo. You have overflowing abundance. Successful and satisfied sa buhay. This card asks you to relax and enjoy that you've worked hard to achieve. Share your good fortune to others and your generosity will always flow back to you. May ilan din sa inyo, may natapos kang project ngayon, sobrang saya at satisfied ka sa naabot mong completion. Sa mga may trabaho, expect a recognition for a job well done, or may nakikita rin akong parating na promotion. Following intuition and honoring your ideas will lead you to increase prosperity and abundance. May nakikita rin din ako na your health is improving and you're welcoming overall feelings of happiness and joy. So this is a good news, a positive cards for your career and money. Let's see your love and romance. Fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Ngayong August 31, 2023. Spirit guides. This is a reverse card. You are hanging on your past. You have a fear of letting go. You are feeling trapped sa buhay pag-ibig. At meron din ako nakikita ditong may iniiwasan kang tao. May nakikita rin akong may chance na babalik ang tao na nangloko sa'yo, kaya mag-ingat. Or may chance ka babalik ulit sa pagkakamali mo. Kung sa business ito, makakabangon ka ulit from bankruptcy. This is a reverse card. Nagkaroon ng materialistic or materialism na tao. Lack of appreciation. This card is a warn na do not overspend sa iyong mga blessings na na-receive. Do not overspend. Ang ilan sa inyo nag-overwork at wala nang time mag-relax. Balansihin ang oras. What is the love advice for fire signs today, August 31, 2023? Wait, don't rush into it. Allow nature to take its course. Ano pa po ang advice, spirit guides, para kay fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius? Adjustment are required. What is the angel message, archangel message, spirit guides message para kay fire signs ngayong August 31? Message from Archangel Aurora. Welcome new beginnings. Let the sun shine in your life. That is your reading today, fire signs. Balik po kayo dito bukas sa September 1 reading. Please like, subscribe, and click bell button for notification para po updated kayo sa daily tarot reading natin. Maraming salamat po.